Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best chalkboard set is probably one of the most surprisingly versatile and essential tools for anyone from busy parents homeschooling their kids to creative artists sketching their next masterpiece, or even small business owners looking to add a touch of classic charm to their daily specials, offering a tactile and engaging way to communicate ideas and unleash creativity without the glare of a screen. Number 5. Chalkola White Chalk Markers Fine Tip, 4-pack 3mm. These liquid chalk pens are designed for a clean experience. They are washable, dustless, non-toxic, and perfectly safe for use in any home environment. Unleash your creativity with these markers. They are perfect for chalk lettering, decorating signs, menus, and even car mirrors, offering endless possibilities for expression. No matter who you are, these markers make creating beautiful messages effortless. Teachers, artists, parents, and business owners alike will find them incredibly easy to use. These pens work on almost any surface. They erase easily from non-porous surfaces like glass and mirrors, and require a wet erase for blackboards. For porous surfaces, the ink is permanent. Unlike other pens that might crack or fray, these are built to last. Their richly pigmented tips remain intact, ensuring a consistent and beautiful line every time. What we like? This set offers a mess-free and versatile writing experience. If you are looking for markers that provide ultimate freedom of expression on various non-porous surfaces, these are perfect. They are also long-lasting and fray-free, making them ideal for consistent, beautiful messages without hassle. What people say. Number 4. Chalkola 5 White Chalk Markers Variety Pack. This versatile set offers a range of tips, from thin 1mm to bold 15mm. It's perfect for any project, allowing you to create fine details or broad strokes with ease. These erasable markers are incredibly adaptable. You can use them on chalkboards, glass, car windows, and more to bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a teacher, artist, or business owner, these richly pigmented pens help you create stunning, vibrant messages. They make beautiful displays accessible to everyone. Cleaning up is simple with these markers. They wash off non-porous surfaces like glass and mirrors with ease, but remember, they're permanent on porous materials. Unlike other markers that crack or fray, these liquid chalk pens are designed for durability. They stay sharp and vibrant, even with frequent use, ensuring your creations last. What we like? This variety pack provides an extensive range of tip sizes for all your creative needs. If you need different line thicknesses for detailed work or bold statements, this set has you covered. Its bold, rich pigment ensures your messages stand out on many surfaces, from chalkboards to car windows. What people say. Number 3. 160 PCS Jumbo Sidewalk Chalk for Kids. Unleash creativity with this amazing set. It includes 160 jumbo pieces in 14 vivid colors, plus special neon and glitter options. These allow for magical creations on sidewalks, streets, driveways, and chalkboards. Designed with children in mind, these chalk sticks are perfect for small hands. They are non-toxic, easy to grip, and completely safe for all ages. Enjoy hours of artistic fun without worry. Parents will appreciate the simple cleanup. Just rinse away the drawings with water, and they disappear without a trace. This makes outdoor play stress-free and enjoyable for everyone. Each piece is crafted to minimize breakage, making it sturdy enough for enthusiastic art. This generous bulk set of 160 comes neatly packaged. It offers convenient storage and transport for creative adventures anywhere. This set is perfect for driveway murals, chalkboard projects, birthday parties, or school activities. It fosters creativity, bonding, and endless colorful memories for kids and adults alike. What we like? This massive bucket of sidewalk chalk offers an incredible array of vibrant colors, including glitter and neon. If you have kids who love outdoor art and you want a durable, non-toxic, and easy-to-clean option, this bulk set is fantastic. It guarantees hours of creative fun and easy cleanup for parents. What people say. Number 2. Chalkola Natural Chalkboard Cleaner Spray and Eraser Kit. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution for all your boards. This kit is designed to tackle liquid chalk, dry erase, and even traditional chalk, leaving your surfaces spotless. Say goodbye to stubborn marks. It effortlessly removes liquid chalk paint ink and dry erase marker stains, restoring your boards to a pristine condition in minutes. Every pack includes more than just the cleaner. You'll also receive a bonus white chalk pen, 2 magic erasers, and a high-quality microfiber cloth for a comprehensive clean. Rest assured, this cleaner is 100% natural and non-toxic. It's safe for everyone, including kids and pets, as it's water-based and free from harsh chemicals. Tired of lingering ghost images on your boards? This kit effectively erases tough chalk stains, bringing your old, stained boards back to life without any residue. Its 8.5 fluid ounces solution is crafted from 100% natural, plant-derived ingredients. It includes deionized water, sucrose ester, glycine, lauric glucoside, and lauryl betaine for a gentle yet powerful clean. What we like? This kit is your solution for bringing old, stained boards back to life with its natural and non-toxic cleaner. If you are tired of ghosting effects and stubborn liquid chalk stains, this spray and eraser kit will make your boards look new. Plus, it includes a bonus white chalk marker to get you started right away. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. The source JSON for reviews was empty, so no specific product features or functions could be identified. Number 1. TFIVE chalk markers with labels. It's time to say goodbye to dusty old chalk. These markers offer a vibrant, bold alternative that truly stands out. Their high-quality fiber tip ensures smooth, even writing every time. Your messages will be clear and eye-catching from any distance. With a dustless, non-toxic formula, they are eco-friendly and safe for any home or professional setting. Whether you're a teacher, artist, or parent, they are perfect for you. When you're ready for a fresh start, simply wipe them away with a wet paper towel. They clean completely and easily from almost any non-porous surface. Featuring a reversible 3 to 6 mm chisel and bullet tip, you can create various line widths. Use them on chalkboards, glass, mirrors, and more, plus get 24 bonus labels. What we like? This set provides 8 vibrant colors and a convenient reversible tip for varied line widths. If you are looking for a colorful set with added value like chalkboard labels for organization or creative projects, this is an excellent choice. Its easy to clean, dustless formula makes it perfect for both home and professional use. What people say. No positive reviews with product details were found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted for the chalk and eraser set for chalkboard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.